Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of podium design using Adobe Illustrator. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. First, we take new page. You can zoom in, zoom out to press and hold Alt plus scroll wheel up and down. Now click here and select rectangular tool. Click here and give 0 stroke weight. Click here and pick shape color. Draw the shape like this. Click on Gradient tool. Now click on Gradient option, pick Gradient color and follow the process. Hold Ctrl plus click and drag. Lock the background. Now click here and select Ellipse tool. Hold Shift and Alt plus drag like this. Change the shape color. Now go to Effect option, click 3D and select Extrude and Bevel. Follow the process. We will draw one more circle. Right-click here, go to Arrange and send backward. Podium is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more update.